Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we continue learning about word problem but with high level. In the some last video, you already learned about the word problem of addition and subtraction. And for this one, you will work with the given question have content. So have content is mean you have to read a little more than another question for figure out what is the content of that question, and then you will make your equation and then you find the variables. So something like in this question, you have Kim is n years old and Tony is 2 years older than Kim. So what does that mean? 2 years older than Kim. So it means Kim is n year and Tony have 2 years more than Kim. Older than Kim is mean 2 years more than Kim. So if Tony is 14, so you can form the equation like n is years old Kim and plus 2 equal to 14. So here is Tony and here is Kim. Kim plus 2 equal to 14. So from this one, it's very easy for figure out n is equal to 14 minus 2 and n equal to 12. So you can see now the solving this equation is not too easy. It's not too difficult, sorry. This is too not difficult. It's very easy. But the main point for this question is you have to read the content and you have to make the equation by yourself. That is the main task for this video. Okay, so another question, you have a cup of coffee costs 15 pence more than a cup of tea. If a cup of tea costs 8 pence and a cup of coffee costs this one, and you can form the equation like 8 plus 15 equal to 215. This is the cost of coffee. This is a cup of coffee, and this one is a cup of tea. So tea have plus 15 equal to 215. So that's why you got this operation for figure out the cost of tea. The cost of tea is 200. Yes, okay. Question 14. And for this question, now you have to work by yourself. Adam has 6 marbles and Yuna have 8. All together, they have 20 marbles between them. So what does that mean all together? It means the number of marbles of Adam and Yuna add together, you got 20 marbles between them. So what is the equation can you form? So you can see now here is the marbles, the number of marbles of Adam, and here is the number of marbles of Yuna. And you got all together, it means these two numbers have to be plus or add together. So you got 21 is the number of marble between them. All the number of marble between them. So C plus 8 equal to 21. So you have the right equation for this content. And then you want to find C. Yes, very easy. When 21 minus 8 equal to 13. And C equal to 13 is my final answer. But you can see that this is not easy for figure out the equation. Yes, very carefully. Carefully word by word in given question. That's not too easy. Okay, question 15 we finish. Question 16. A concert have 2 car parks and 364 cars are parked in them. They are this one in the east part and N park in the north car park. So you have a car park here and about the east. I mean this side you have east is mean 193 car, and you got another one in BN, and the total of them you only have 364 car. So you can figure out that you have the total of number between two parts have to be equal to 364. I mean n plus 193 equal to 364. So you got n equal to 364 minus 194. Oh, sorry, 993. Yes, 93. And this is, you will take the operation outside here, 364, 193, and you take column of 10 units, 4 minus 3, you got 1, and here is 7, and here is 1. So 171 is my final answer for this question. Yeah, it's okay. We finished this question. For this question, you can see a Chancy band costs 15 pins less than a jam donors. A jam donors costs n, and the Chancy costs this one. Yeah, it's okay. Less than. This one is less than. I mean, this one is less than this. You got the jam of donors is n, and this one is 82. So for summary for this question, you can see now Chelsea is 16 less than what? Less than a jam donut, right? And Chelsea, you got 82. 82 is mean less than 16 less than n. So why I have n here? Because a jam donut costs n pins. So 82 is 16 less than n, is mean 82 equal to n minus 16. Yeah, you already learned about this formula. You already learned. Okay, so from this one, it's very easy for solving this. And 98, you got n. Yeah, that's it. But you can see now, a little bit harder than another question. For this one, a smaller weight 415 grams less than a larger. So a larger is x. Okay, larger is x. And smaller is 500. 500 weight 450 grams less than x. Okay, so you mean this one is 415 less than x. So it means 500 equal to x minus 415. Yes. Okay, already learned. So confidently about your solution. 950. Yeah, that's it. A little bit easy, but you have to read carefully the question. Okay, that is the night. For this question, we finished. For this question, Tiana cut a piece of wood 1.79 long from the piece that 2.64 long. The piece she has left is 8 meters. Okay, this is left. So you can see that the total of this piece is 2.64, and then the cut here is 1.75, and this one is left. And so the equation, you can understand that you have 1.79 plus 8 will be equal to 6.64. So that's why you can write down the operation for solving this one like this. Okay, here is 9, here is 8, and this one. Is that true? I think so. Okay, so h equal to 0.89. 0.89 for this question. Okay. The next question, a lorry weight 2.25 tons and is loaded from with 5.75 tons of steel. The total weight of lorry is n ton. So write down the equation of n and solve it to find the weight of lorry. So this is quite a little easy, right? You have a tons and you got this one of steel. So the total weight is n tons. So okay, you can see that 5.28, and then one more thing, 5.75 tons of steel, and the total weight of everything, of every load that you have got is n. So this one is adding 11 equal to n. So here is the final answer for n. Yes.